Here in Roger Williams, we started a one-year-long sustainability study to evaluate how mass timber products can actually respond to coastal environments. One mock-up is commercially fabricated, and the other mock will mimic how industry and those fabrication process has been done by the machine, but we did it by hand.
So the sensors allow us to continuously track moisture, and this way we can see if the different treatments and the materials respond differently over the course of the year as they're exposed to coastal environments like we have here in southern New England. This is a really interesting opportunity to take that knowledge and work with somebody in construction management on a more applied problem.
The students that they were involved in this project, I could see that the students are learning how these pieces they can get together, even the fabrication. So that was a great experience for them, and that differentiate our construction management program in Roger Williams with other universities.